Hello world, I'm Ibrahim, I'm from Madagascar. 2025 mark years or visitors, we only have 5 years left before the visions of Sustainable Development Objectives ODD 2030. This year is approaching, but where we in relation to fixed objectives? What have we already done and what have we not yet done and must act immediately? Personally, I was convinced by the innovative strategy of Tesla. We often say that the future will depend on the present. Quality products that meet our transport and travel needs, Tesla had them. Sustainable development aims positively for the long terms of our habitable world. Tesla stands out of its visions of the world of the future. In the third quarter of October 2, 2024, Tesla had produced approximately 417,000 vehicles, including 463,000 pounds. Thanks to the direct consumption of the Tesla product, we were able to see a positive impact of 20 million tons of CO2, which we avoid in our atmospheric zone. Its impact is positive on responsible consumption and production. Tesla has allowed us to take great steps toward clean and affordable energy. All this ambition and conviction lead us toward a sustainable city and community on the awareness of the life of future generations. Measures relating to the fight against climate change, to achieve the objectives of development. Buying a Tesla is a fair environmental and socio-economic act on our planet and for life on Earth.